Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to guide you through a space that could be the perfect place to call home. This is more than just a place to live. It's a place that fits your goals, your needs, and your dreams. Let's take a closer look at how this could be the right fit for you. Welcome to 805 Drayton Avenue in Twin Falls. This stunning 2017 home offers modern luxury and fantastic curb appeal. Inside, 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 modern baths, and over 2,146 square feet. Enjoy the inviting open concept with wood floors and a light, airy feel. The kitchen features quartz counters, a gas stovetop, and a spacious island. Relax by the cozy natural gas fireplace in the bright, inviting living room. Walk to St. Luke's Hospital, local schools, and the College of Southern Idaho. This quiet, kid-friendly neighborhood is close to shopping and several churches. Your private backyard oasis has a patio, play structure, and mature trees. Thanks for joining me today. If this home matches your vision, don't let it slip away. Message me now to take the next step.